Hi there, and welcome to Integrating Technology. My name is Nellie Deutsch, and today I'm going to walk you through a course that you can still join. You can enroll in the course. It's completely free. It's a 4-week, hands-on, teacher-led online course called Create Moodle Activities and Resources with AI, where you actually create your very own course. So you just go in, click on that, register me, and you're in. Now, notice there are things on the left. This is the course index, and there are things on the right, and notice I'm here twice. Online users, and then completion progress, where you will see your completion. If it's not marked, you'll be able to let me know, and I'll be able to grade it for you. So what's in this course? First of all, there are 4 weeks, so it's a 4-week course. And you don't only work here, you also work on another site where you will get and this is a site where you will get your very own course. And all you need to do simply is go into My Courses and request a course. It's that easy. But in order to get your very own course, let's go into the introductions here. You need to do all the activities. Now notice it says to do, which means that except for the support forum here where you can ask questions, and let me show you how that's done before we go on. You simply read, watch a video on how to share a link in case you're stuck. You begin all these forum tasks. All the tasks are in forums. You click on add a discussion topic, write your topic subject area, and then notice here you can open this up. This is the editor, and you can do various things. You can insert certain things, and there are tools, the HTML code that's here if you want to embed a video of some kind, such as Colossian. All the others you just need to paste. Most of the links you just paste and they become responsive. In order to get back, we can go to the left here and see we're here under support. We can go up or down. Okay, week 2 and so on. Or we can simply use these breadcrumbs. Yes, this is a Moodle word, breadcrumbs. So we are in week 1. We're going to scroll down. We're still in week 1. The others are blue. Everything blue, you can click on it. It's clickable. Try not to go beyond this blue strip here, because then you're going out of the course. Here you are within the course, and you've got participants here, your grades, activities that you'll be doing. These are all the activities that are available. Notice lots of forums, and you can subscribe to them as we go. I usually like to subscribe so that I know what's going on. Now, how do we go back? Breadcrumbs or the left, of course. Notice we are here under Create Moodle Activities, but we're going to close that up and go into the breadcrumbs. So we are under activities, as you can see here. We're going to go to the left and create Moodle Activities and Resources with AI, which is the main course area, and we are by default in the overview. We're going to go back into week 1 and scroll down. So we went into the support forum. Now we're going to watch this video. Now notice there are 2 places for here. There's the video here that tells you everything about week 1. So watch it. There's a video in each week, each of the 4 weeks. Next, there is a forums for peer engagement. Read that. It's only read. So under to do, it'll just say view. And then there's the introduction. Under the to do, you'll see that you must receive a grade. That's from me. A passing grade, it's only 100. There aren't any in-between grades. If you do the task accordingly, which you will, you get 100 from me. Now, the system tracks everything. So this is an amazing learning management system called Moodle, and you're here to learn how to be a Moodler. Introduction, and notice here the instructions are here. And here is an introductory video where I introduce myself.
Hi, and welcome to the course. Here's a bit about me. I am a Canadian teacher educator passionate.
You'll be able to access that. And everything is actually played within the course. You don't have to go outside the course. everything stays in the course. And you'll be introducing yourself using Colassian, just as I did. And you're invited to get the full pro features by joining my team at this time. Notice there's also another video here on how to create your cloned voice. So there are instructions here, introduce yourself with Colassian and so on. Again, you go into add discussion topic, back into week 1. So that was the first one. And then there's my background and goals. This is another task here through a discussion forum, and you can see answer the following questions. You'll answer them to the next task, which is read and reflect on AI for instruction and learning. So what do you think of AI? There are some videos here and some instructions for you, and you are going to create some amazing things. You'll actually be creating content. That's what the course is about. You doing the creation. And then, of course, there's a video tutorial. We will be creating a video tutorial just like this. And you have a choice here. Notice you need to agree to academic integrity here, which is also part of Moodle. And notice you have a choice. You can use Fillmore, 15, ScreenPal, or Colassian. So keep that in mind. And then you tell us as you walk through what's on the left, what's in the middle, and what's on the right in the course. You go right through the course just as I'm doing right now. So Breadcrumbs, we are here, video tutorial. We can go up on the left, okay, go up here, or we can go to the breadcrumbs and go back to the introduction week 1, scroll down and go on to the next one. The next one is connect your badges to your backpack. And there's a video on how to do that, and you'll be doing that in your profile. If there are any questions, of course, you'll go back up to the support forum, and please ask questions. I love questions, just as teachers do, right? We love. And then the last task, notice here, it's not available. This is where you request your very own Moodle platform, where you're going to be creating your activities and resources. So here, notice you go into forms for peer and engagement, and you'll get a chance under more to see what you need to do. So you need to view this activity, introduce yourself, go into your background. Okay, all these, if you click on them, they'll take you there. And you also need to add your personal reflections, which is just under this. Personal reflections, you can click here or click here. So let's take a look at what's here under personal reflections. This is a chance for you to reflect. Only I see your reflections. So tell me how things are going in week 1 after you finish. Of course, you do this by start new or edit today's entry. You can also edit. You go into that, add a title. And again, you have this editor. You go into the 3 dots here, and you can reveal another row. You add your reflections here, and then you save changes. I will come back and add a grade out of 100, and you'll get 100, of course, because it's all out of 100 if you do the activity. And that's something that you'll learn about in your own course, because at the end of week 1, you'll get a badge. You'll get 4 badges, and all these activities work towards your course completion and the final certificate. So we're under here, personal reflections. In the breadcrumbs, we're going to go back into the introductions where we were before, and we've gone through everything. So now we can go on to week 2 and see what's available in week 2. Notice the support form. And then there's the video here that you'll be watching to show you what's in week 2. And then the activities here, notice Moodle course profile. So you'll go into each of these and the reflection at the end. And then week 3, you continue working. There's the video on your activities and resources. And week 4 is showcase and reflect, where you reflect on your work. And then at the end, there's personal reflections. The activity needs to be done before you can go into RiffBot AI, which is something that is free for educators that I organized for you to reflect with this AI bot. So that's basically it for the center. And I mentioned the left as well. There's also a certificate of completion that'll open up the minute you complete everything. It's all automatic. I don't have to do anything really except to grade you. Everything is all set, and Moodle has a tracking system that works perfectly. So as soon as you get graded for all your activities, this will open up. You'll also get an email notifications with the information and your certificate. So let's take a look at what's on the right. Now notice here there's technical support. Don't use that unless you're stuck and you can't get back in for some reason. Here you can add your comments. There's the completion progress, and then there's the level up, where every time you do something, this is a gamification, you get rewarded for your hard work. And your latest badge will also appear here. Now, it's really important to connect your backpack, your badge backpack, because that way it'll stay there and you won't lose your badges. That's basically it. So let me know if you have any questions. Add your comments to the video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and enjoy the course.